Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Pywal to theme the various aspects of your window manager or Wayland compositor. Now, as you can see, this bar that I have right here is waybar, and I was using Pywal before, but I've turned it off just so that you guys can see what it looks like without the colors that were supposed to be there. Now, same thing goes for Wafi, which is my application launcher, and for Alacrity, which is the terminal as well. If I pull up NeoFetch here, as you can see, these are the default terminal colors. Now, to get started, what we should do is install a fork of Pywal called Pywal 16 colors. I'll just search it up real quick, and here we go. This is the package we need. You can install that using an AUR helper like Yay, so Pywal 16 colors. Once you install that, you should change your wallpaper. So I use SWWW for that. IMG pictures, we'll pick a random one from here. That one, okay? So I need to change our wallpaper and ask Pywal, so wall-i, to use that wallpaper as well. So that's Wallhaven 9DY and so on. Hit enter. And the wallpaper should change. As you can see, this is the new wallpaper we have over here. Looks great. Pywal has also changed our terminal colors. Pull up NeoFetch again. We see that the colors have changed. And these are 16 colors, which have one set of lighter colors and one set of darker ones. So it just makes them look better. Right. Now, let's reopen our terminal. And what do we see? We see that the theme has not persisted. So the way to fix this, let's start with the terminal. We have to open the config alacrity.toml, and let's close this. Okay, so I have two lines here. The first line is what I originally had, and the second line is the new one, the one where the theme doesn't apply. Now, usually you're going to have your colors file linked here and your fonts file. If you have them in the same file, then that's fine, but it's usually better to include them separately. So let's delete this, delete the second line, uncomment the first one, and look at this file path here. Home, user 0, cache wall colors-alacrity.toml. Now, if we cat that out, cache wall colors alacrity toml. As you can see, these are the colors we need for our terminal, and they change depending on what wallpaper we gave Pywal. So we'll just write that, and there you go. Worked immediately. And best part is you don't have to use any command in your RC file. Like the original Pywal wiki asks you to use the command cat cache wall sequences and whatnot. That's absolutely not required, and this is just a much more seamless approach. Okay, now we have the terminal down. Let's get started on our launcher, now Wafi. To fix that, we are going to have to go over to .config Wafi ls, and we see two files. The configuration I'm using for Wafi has two files here, may be different depending on what you're using. But for Wafi, you're going to go into style.css and uncomment, well, not uncomment, but basically import cache wall colors waybar.css. Again, if we pull that up, cache wall colors waybar.css, this is what we see. Exactly the colors that we need to use for our waybar. Wait, what? Okay, so yeah, that was sort of my bad, but basically this file is going to be used both for the waybar and for Wafi because, yeah, there you go. Because it's a CSS file and it's applicable to both, right? So you just write quit, And there we go. We got our colors back. That's great. Now finally the waybar. Let's go into the waybar config waybar. And here I have a colors.css, but that's pertaining to a different theme entirely, not Pywal. So we'll go into style.css and add in this line. This import dash wall colors waybar.css is going to give our waybar the colors we need. And you're also going to have to make sure that you use the appropriate color names. Like for example, let me just pull that up real quick. Now, cache wall colors waybar.css. Okay. Now, as you can see, the @define color, whatever that is, and the color name after it, color 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way up until 15. We're going to have to use those colors wherever we need here. So color 1, and let's see, color 4, 5, 5, 6, whatever. Just add that in, and you should be done. Reload waybar if you have an option for it, and there you go. It works. Now let's try changing the wallpaper. img pictures wallhaven, let's go with 7, okay, whatever that is, and do ampersands wall-i pictures wallhaven 7 2r. Hit enter, and there we go. The terminal colors changed. And run another fetch to see the colors here. Changed colors, changed wallpaper, reload waybar. Colors also changed over there and over here too. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share. And yes, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.